zone earring, and that one too is gone, like subsidy. So those ones are still okay. Vlogmas another day. So I'm just trying to review my jewelry box. So this is my jewelry box and everything in it. This thing was very full at the beginning of the year, but now I'm down. I've lost a lot of jewelry. I've lost my brooches, even the most recent brooch I got from Temu, which is one of my favorite brooch I went to Lagos Fashion Week. I lost it and I can't seem to find it for myself. This one I've gotten for a while, and see, it's actually gone. No hook, nothing, and I'm still having it in my jewelry box. So you guys just watch me go through them and review and take out the ones that are not functional, because I think I have a lot of mess in this box. The cover is long gone anyway, so let me just review it with you guys. I already mentioned this is gone. I don't know what it's doing here. Then this is I don't know, a necklace that I got. So I think this completes this. You guys can see, right? It's gone. So this is supposed to be a counterfeit LV earring, and it's gone. Then this one is tied to my Bottega dupe necklace. So I bought this one earlier this year. I'm like, how come I don't have a hoop in my neck, in my jewelry collection? Because hoops are necessary for, it's like very easy thing to just wear when you're a fashion girl. And my dear, I lost it. So the one has just one ear. So this is how this earring, this necklace supposed to be. But the struggle for every person that has a form of jewelry or the other, organized in a form of jewelry box or just scattered somewhere in their bag, is the fact that they just tangle, and it's annoying. It is very, very annoying how they tangle. So I'm trying to go into untangle this one, but trust me, give it another one more day. Another one more day and it's already tangled. It's annoying. So it takes a whole lot of effort, mental and physical, to be able to finish all these things. See, still trying to untangle one necklace. So imagine if you're going to work, right, and you now choose to, like, you now plan your look around this necklace. This is how you're going to struggle and you're going to be running late. Especially me, I'm always running late because of my current condition. But yeah, let me untangle it because it's something I've chosen to do. Can you see? After the tangling now, there's another one at the best. I'm just tired. Okay guys, I'm back. And this is it. Finally, detangled. You can see this is the teardrop earring that was trending, but I noticed that apart from the fact that the earring was trending, some people that created dupes of it made it into a necklace. So yeah, I've had it. It came with its own earring, and that one too is gone, like subsidy. So those ones are still okay. So this one is supposed to be a set of two. I got this one from a sale, that's discount store, and I stopped shopping from them. The reason is that when I wanted something from their store, I've actually paid for this particular item, and these people called, I would notice that my order was delayed, and when I finally was able to get their attention, they actually sold it for two people, one person and me. So I don't know why they didn't know that that item was out of stock, and they made me pay for it and told me to choose another item. That was my last time in their store, and people used to say that I am very, very vain, and any small thing I'm already pissed. Yeah, I'm pissed. I was so pissed. And did I apologize? I can't remember, but I just did not like the fact that I wanted a specific item and he made me buy another item which I do not need, and that does not make sense to me. So anyway, this one is still two. This one I got it from a Christmas sale last year December, when I was still in my old money, new money bag. But I'm still in my old money bag anyway because I'm still wearing it. So this is it. So this one I got as a gift from a brand. and he's still surviving, which is surprising. So I think I may be wearing, I don't know, I can't really tell, because I have an event, like I have like a family event to be at tomorrow, so I'll be showing you guys the outfit I'm picking. But look at this, is giving inspiration. Let me just keep it aside, but that's part of this day. This one I got it and I got so many compliments when I wear it to work, and now I have just one ear. So there are other things here that I don't know what their purpose is in my jewelry box. It's just so annoying. Then this ring, I almost lost it when I went to see my elder sister at home when she gave birth. But this is please, this ring, let me just keep it aside first. Then this one, I also got it from a gift, as a gift from a brand. I actually do love the product, but it didn't work in Nigeria, so it didn't work for me. I couldn't really test it as much as possible, but I just love it as just more like a bracelet to wear, and I still wear it. So this one is a pair of pearl beaded earrings. This one, it was supposed to be pink, so let me show you. I think I have the pink product that came with it. So it's supposed to be pink, just like his, necklace, but this one I've turned into white. So that's how you know the quality of the item. I bought it for 15,000 last year December. So this one not washed out very fast, which is shocking. I could have bought white if I wanted white, but I got pink because it's just unique. And here we are, pink, white. So I'm still going to be wearing that, and then lapel. Now that's small things. I'm done with the first layer. So these are my jewelry boxes. Just keep bringing out layers. So this one has a twin, but just that the hooks are gone. Don't know why I kept it, but I just mix it with other items in my closet. This one is obviously a Cartier dupe. This is Love Bracelet dupe, and I really love it. I actually got it from that brand I talked about, which is a discount store. But please, I think I'm done with them. It's just so easy for me to get angry with brands, right? But especially when you double sell things. So imagine if I've planned my day, my look, on my outfit for that particular item, and it's gone. It's annoying. So anyway, I still love this. It's still working. The other one I got, which is more like another dupe of Cartier, I can't find it. I think that one never fits. It was always falling off. So that was already giving me the ick, like this thing's going to let. I'm just going to stop shopping from there. But anyway, this is one. So this necklace was gifted alongside this set of silver earrings, and this necklace still eats down. It should be going to 2-3 years now. Very budget friendly necklace. I don't know if the brand still exists. Actually, it's a brand that is in the US, but I don't know if the brand still exists. But I chose to work with her, but she was just starting out her brand, and you can see the quality. The quality is giving quality, because it's 3 years and it's still standing. Then my recent buys from Timo, which is this one from which is giving Schiaparelli vibe. I've told you guys, if you don't know the brand, I'm designer obsessed, so that's why I have this. But anyway, this is it, and I think it's also on probation for the outfit I'm going to prep for. So this one that I took out, that I'm saying it may have a twin, I can't seem to find the twin. Just a minute. So most of them have twins somewhere that are taken out. Now I can't find it. So anyway, let me keep it aside pending. Okay, yeah, I found the twin. This one I also got from the regular markets around my area, but trust me guys, the speed at which it washed off, it even shocked me too. So then this is my Louis V anagram brooch, which I've always had. This brooch, when I first got it, I got it from, I can't remember the name of the brand, but if I do remember when I'm editing, I'm going to put the name of the brand. I love shopping from that brand, and I stopped shopping from the brand not because I got a bad service from them, but simply because if I'm on that brand, my wish list is as long as here from Oshodi. So I just stay away from them because they make me want to shop. So let me just stay away from them before I lose all my savings to them. So yeah, this brooch, the anagram, and yeah, I'm still wearing that. The same brand that gifted me from US. This is another silver bracelet that is still standing 2 years plus. 2 years plus, or even 3. That was when I was even pregnant of my first child. That's when I got this one. So this one is out. Then this I got recently from the Jumia Black Friday sales, and I love it. Just that it broke the first day I got it, but now I've been able to fit it in. So when things are very cheap, don't be surprised when they break. That's what happened to me. I wasn't even mad when it broke, because how will I be mad when this one broke? Actually, because it's actually very, very inexpensive. So why would I be mad? So I left it. So in the trash pile, this is the twin of the Louis Vuitton necklace that broke. So people that started to just trash, because why am I keeping it? You to ask me, why am I really keeping it? For what purpose? And now the struggle begins, the tangling. Necklaces, when they are together, they just seem like they want to hug themselves or something. It's just so annoying. So now I have to start detangling it, and this is my major struggle. Like I said earlier, when I'm going to work, detangle, detangle, detangle. And when you start detangling, and it's like you're looking at it, I'm like, no, 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 I can't wait. And you just run off and forget your necklace. Imagine styling a cool work outfit and you want to wear necklace, and necklace is now the struggle just because you have to dangle. This one I got from I got this one from an Instagram brand, and whenever I wear it, I get compliments about it, and that's surprising because I didn't really think too much about this butterfly necklace. If you guys can see that, I just said to just get it, but anyway, it turned out nice. Anytime I wear it, I had this quality, I was like, your necklace is nice, but me, I'm not. So anyway, it's just like I bought it as an extra to be able to make sure that what I'm buying is, I can justify it enough for the shipping fee, because since lately shipping fee is one reason why not to shop online. That's one necklace tangled successfully. So another layer. So this I got. Okay, hold on please. Okay, I'm back. I went on a, what would you call it? I went on a break. So this one I got from a designer brand. If I can find the picture of the kimono I got along with this, I will show you guys. My dear, this necklace has served me for years. It's time for it to go. It's time for it to go. You can see it's breaking, it's scattered. It has to go. Even this one is broken. See? So my dear, I'm done with it. It has to go. It has served this purpose. We have had our good times together, but it's time for it to go. I'm sorry. So it has to go. So now that I've removed all the things in my closet, so I think I'll first start with inserting bracelets together, because they really tangle with each other. Rarely, not guaranteed though. So I'm putting bracelets first in the same place. So this also is saying bracelets. Then some of my office lapels, which I'm not going to show you guys. I will have this beside, just to make sure that I partition things. Then when I'm done with bracelets, then I go with my brooch and some pairs of earrings. So the earrings should actually be close to each other. The rings should be close to each other. Things that don't tangle with each other. Another earring close to each other. Then this earring also joins them because they don't tangle together. Then I add the silver necklace to it. So the next layer is going to be for necklaces, which is the hard part. So I'm going to be adding this here. Then my cowrie necklace, which I got when I went to Olumoro, still serving the girl. So these two that tangles easily, I'm still iffy about them, and even this. So let me just keep them aside and see if I can put them in my new jewelry box. So we just walk through all my jewelry and the ones that are gone. Okay guys, let me see if this will serve its purpose. So I want to put the necklaces in my jewelry box, the new jewelry box that has a section for necklaces. So I'll put it here and see if it will keep it from tangling, because the tangling necklaces is after my life and I'm not ready to die because I'm trying to detangle necklace. So I put it here. Then second one, I think there are just 3 hoops for it, which I'm wondering. Well, it's a travel pouch, travel jewelry organizer. So am I surprised? No, because you're not supposed to carry your major jewelry when you're traveling. So I'm putting it here. Then the third one goes in here, and I put it together. So I'm hoping that this one will keep them from tangling, but I'll give you guys update if it does not keep it from tangling, because my dear, what will I say? Anything can happen. So yeah, I'll put it into this place and zip it. Hey guys, so after arranging my jewelry box, I want to show you guys the outfit I'll be wearing out tomorrow. This is me just being basic me. I wouldn't be wearing this wig because I think the wig is gone and dusted, but that's for the purpose of this video. This is the dress, right? So I'll move backward. This dress I actually thrifted. I got it as a thrift. You can see it has a pocket, which I actually do love, right? Then it has this when I say ashoke detail that is here, so I'll be styling the look very easily. So I'm thinking of doing pink, subtle pink, because the pink is not really pinking, and because I'm going to be wearing a pink shoe to go with it. So you guys should just let me know, although you'll be seeing this video after I have attended the event. So this is pink, and this is my shoe, which is actually golden pink, because I'm thinking this is giving more of pink vibe than giving gold. So this will be one with a look. You guys may not see the shoe, but I just want to see how they got wearing it. Oh, I should just let it go. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't even know anything at this point. Your baby is a little bit exhausted from filming the Vlogmas video, but I've said that this year I will try to do 12 days of Christmas, and I think I'm liking how it looks. Hey, if I should wear this one to touchdown at that event, they will ask me, are you the bride? I wouldn't know. Now I think I'm going to be wearing a gold necklace and bangle to it, just to add a little bit of oomph to it. I wouldn't know, but this one seems to have a little bit of extra Africanness to it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So guys, till another time on Vlogmas. So what do you think? Do you actually arrange your necklace? Do you go through your necklace frequently? Because I have to actually go through my jewelry a lot, because if I don't do that, I will have a whole lot of mess of jewelry, necklaces that will have tangled pieces. Some will be lost and they will just be in my jewelry box. So yeah, what do you guys think about this Vlogmas? Still another time for another Vlogmas. So just 12 days of Christmas. That's what I'm doing this year, and I think if I'm able to pull it off this year, trust me, I'm definitely going to do it next year. See you guys. Bye.